Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can update the Chrome web browser to the most recently released version really quickly. For instance, if you'd like to improve the overall performance of Google Chrome, or if you'd like to fix bugs. So let us get started right away. Drop a like and now let us dive into this. So launch the Google Chrome web browser, and all you need to do, guys, is click on the three dots here in the top right corner and access your browser settings by choosing settings here at the bottom. And inside your browser settings, select the lowermost option here in the left panel, About Chrome. And after that, Google Chrome will automatically check what version of the Google Chrome software is currently installed, and if needed, it will notify you that there is an update available and downloadable. So if that's the case, simply confirm by clicking on download here to the right. As you can see, my Google Chrome version is currently up to date, so there's no need for downloading any updates. But that's basically how to do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.